Hi, Rich Regan, Wildfire Properties. Here I am today at Hispaniola Residential Hispaniola in Sosua of the Dominican Republic, and I just wanted to show you this resale villa that we have for sale. It's a two-bedroom villa for $178,000, complete turnkey, ready to go, and I'll take you for a walk through it so that you can see it. It's just right close to the entranceway, and the location of Hispaniola is excellent because it is right close to the main area of Sosua. You're close to the restaurants, the grocery shopping, you're walking distance to the beach. So you're within walking distance of all those conveniences. So I'll flip around here and show you the villa. That's the office for Hispaniola. That's the entranceway into Hispaniola. And here's the two-bedroom villa. Comes fully decorated. Here's the kitchen with granite countertops. And the kitchen dining area, the living room area, which is nicely decorated. Walks out to the covered terrace area, which has got a nice pool back here. Nice large yard for a two-bedroom villa, so very, very nice size. That's one great benefit of this villa is the size of the yard. The Hispaniola Diners Club is just right up the hill up there, so very close walking distance to the restaurant that's on site here. The grocery store is just a little bit down the road. The beach is just down the road a little bit here, all within walking distance. Lots of restaurants and shops in this area. And then this is the bathroom, which is in between the two bedrooms. And this is the master bedroom, which has a walkout to the covered terrace area and ensuite bathroom. So nice feature. Big closets, lots of closet room. So you can walk out to the deck in the pool area. And then the second bedroom, which doesn't have the ensuite, but it's got the shared bathroom and nicely decorated. And then just walk here, kitchen area, living area, and then the outside covered terrace area where you'll be spending most of your time. As the weather's always nice and warm here, and you can just see the landscaping is gorgeous in all of Hispaniola throughout here. So privacy is done through landscaping. So Rich Regan from Wildfire Properties. I hope you like my YouTube videos. If you do, subscribe to them and hit the like button, and let me know if there's anything that you would like to see in particular. And yeah, if there's any more information you want on this two-bedroom resale that is available, just let me know also. And if you want to come out here and take a look, it'd be my pleasure to take you and show you around at all this area, all it has to offer, and the different opportunities there are with villas for sale. So from Wildfire Properties, have a great week and hope to see you out here soon.